If you are looking for thicker, fuller, longer hair, you are going to love Moerie's shampoo and conditioner. And I was just gifted these. I've already started testing them, and I cannot wait to give these the 30-day test that Moerie recommends, as these have 100 ingredients in them to help your hair be its best. And I already love how it feels. I love the experience. The shampoo suds up beautifully. I love the minty smell it has. I know it has a mixture of essential oils, but the smell is actually very nostalgic to me, and it has that just stronger mint smell to me, which is just so luxurious and invigorating. And that smell goes throughout the Moerie line. And then the conditioner goes on so beautifully. It really is meant to go from mid-length down to the ends. And when I rinse it out, my hair feels very healthy, very hydrated, and very light and bouncy as well. So it's really giving me the immediate expectation I want to see in a hair care product. And I am so excited to see what kind of difference this will make in 30 days. Now, like I said, these have 100 different nutrients in them. Now, they have the usuals like biotin and caffeine and B vitamins that are well proven to help your hair, but they also have 77 different fulvic minerals that they have been testing and they think are the secret ingredient to long-term hair health. On top of that, they have beautifully hydrating ingredients like coconut oil and macadamia oil, and even hydrolyzed soy protein that helps with softening and strengthening. So there's a lot going on in these. And I did just start, so this is where I'm at right now. And while my hair looks beautiful today, in my opinion, it is always prone to breakage. It's very, very fine. It has been my whole life, and my hairdresser always cuts it on me every time I come in, no matter how much I want to grow it out, just because it's not strong enough, and I usually have so many split ends by the time I go in. So I am definitely giving this the 30-day test. I might be giving it a 45-day test. I do know that it might take a little longer, 4 to 6 weeks, to really see results, and I will be coming back and doing a second video. But if you are watching this, I have the highest hopes for these products. I am so impressed with the ingredients and the reviews, and I really think these are worth giving a try. So definitely check these out, and I'll be back with a second video in 30 to 45 days.